Today I'll show you how to create the splitting animation in After Effects. It's a quick one-step process, so nice and easy, and at the end I'll share a bonus tip on how to loop your animation. This is a beginner tutorial and you'll need an understanding of keyframes because I'm not going into detail there. Download the project file if you want to check out how I created the rest of the animation because I won't cover it here either. Let's jump in. Alright, I'm inside of After Effects. I've got my composition open and my layers here ready to split. So I'm going to go over to Effects and Presets and type in CC Split. Then I'm going to grab this CC Split effect and drop it onto the layer that I want to split. So this effect is very simple. We've got these point A and point B settings, and if we adjust the split, it's going to split between the 2 points. So for example, I'm going to put my point A setting about here and my point B setting around about here. And I'm just going to put a keyframe on this point B by pressing this stopwatch, and then I'm going to come forward just a few frames and move my point B to around about here will do. And then I can just raise the split to have an effect. I'm just going to press U here, grab this first keyframe by pressing Ctrl C, moving forward a few frames and pressing Ctrl V. And I've got a split animation. And as promised, I said I would show you how to loop it. So all you need to do there is over any stopwatch, press down Alt, and while holding Alt, click the stopwatch. This will bring a box like this up, and you just in this box type loop, capital O, Alt, open and closed parentheses. And when you play through, it will just permanently loop right there. There you have it. Check out this video right here to see what else you can do within After Effects. See you in the next one. Bye!